Alright, welcome back to another piano lesson. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the popular song El Shaddai by Amy Grant, okay? This lesson is going to be in the key of C major. This is our scale. Okay, that's our scale. Alright, so I'm going to be using the chord number system to explain the chord progression, okay? So I want you to be familiar with the 7 diatonic chords in the key of C. Our chord 1, this is it. This is our chord 2. These are chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 7, chord 1, okay? So that's just basically it. So let's get started. This is how the song starts. Okay, from the chord 1, which is this. Then we'll move to the 2. How shall I? Okay. How shall I? Then we'll move to the 5. Helion. Then you move to your 1. Nahadonai, your 4. H to H, your flat 7, which is B flat major chord, okay? H to H, you're still the same major third. By the power 6 or of 7, your name major sixths, okay? How shall I, back to 2. How shall I, 5. Ekamka 1, Nahaldo 9, 4. I will praise flat 7 and lift your name 5. How shall I 1? Okay, just basically that's very simple, and it's so this particular progression is actually what constitutes basically the whole song. Okay, the other verses like the verse 2 and other parts of the song. 4 okay. Now this is the only part that is a kind of little different. Okay, and this is where the bridge comes in. Okay, so now let's move to the bridge. So this part is actually what used to confuse a lot of people, but it's very simple. All you just did, they kind of modulated to another key. So I can say the relative major of key C. Okay, that is E flat, the relative major. Okay, these two keys are related in the sense that C is the relative minor of this, and E flat is the relative major of C. Okay, so they kind of modulated to E flat. So now this is the bridge. Let me just play it, then I'm going to explain it. Okay, so it's like this. Okay. Okay. Let me do it again. Okay, so that's the bridge. Now let me start from the left hand. That's the basic progression of the bridge. So they modulated to another key, that is E flat. They went to the second chord in the key of E flat. Okay, so the second chord, then to the 5th key of E flat, okay, which is B flat major chord. Okay. Then they went to then 1, that is your major chord. 4th chord in E flat, which is G sharp major chord. Then back to the 2 again, that's F minor chord. And they went back to key. Okay, this is a bit tricky, but it's not difficult. They went back to key C and played the 5 sus 4, okay, which is G sus 4. then resolved back to the 5th chord in C, then back to 1. Okay, I know this might be a little bit confusing, but it's very simple actually. Okay, so they just modulated to the relative major of key C. Okay? In this case, we're modulating to E flat and we are coming back to C. So these are, they started from the chord 2 to the chord 5, B flat major, to the chord 1, E flat major, to the chord 4 in E flat, in the key of E flat, G sharp major. Okay, chord 2 again, then back to key C, the 5 sus 4 to 1. So that's just basically how the song, this is just the tune, that's just basically how the song flows. Okay, so the other part of the song is just see basically how the chorus goes. That is, you understand? Okay, and live. Okay, so I hope you learned something new. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in the future. And if you want any special request of any song, feel free to put it in the comment section.